penny for na Juan Konya, ya the irrigator sports at the bro and every. But I am fasted and from my Papa's Pizza. One of us, you are semi Jumedi, ya the Abrewo. Papa's Pizza say in this data, Ubia Shefie, Mr. Wada say Ubedi Pizza, dear. Man worry, the Papa's Pizza, they've got your back, Ankasa, Ope Pizza Papa, and Dawa Utumzies, taste near Kamapa, dear. Ya sign up, prepare under hygienic condition. Ya take you safety and no health power into consideration, pa, dear. Ya can ye na a Papa's Pizza. Papa's Pizza, one more a year delivering service, I also know a year authentic Ankasa. Don't panic, stay safe. Opt for a year our countless delivery service. Papa's Pizza, they've ready to cover your back. Ankasa Oko East Legon Abehu Oho, North Legon Oho, Domain, Tema, Osu, Spinkters, Ring Road, Bebia, Papa's Pizza, Ewo. One short code in the star 844 star 10 hash. Star 844 star 10 hash. Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it. DBS and so Ebuasu Asne DBS is a West Sudan where do baby Ababoso Freyan na Yembe DBS so down so and famau one more allozing trusses are a year quality and until try a 100 years warranty at the akaho. Unya no sana on your coloring plus na the crew down so out to yes Odano a completed year ankasa a year true. Assuring, a thrilling, a very enthusiastic ankasa, and until for some perfect finish now, we should share them at the amount of idea. We need DBS expert ankasa. You should check my was Spinkters Road, so by Papaya Restaurant, BBN from 0240 844 444 0240 844 444 DBS Industries. Chance papa Efie and Hopeni Mamefa Thailand in Chu. It's as a Thailand Ghana Limited ye can't then see who's semi idea. Say Usidani ye now believe floor tiles and I believe or ye wall tiles party. I mesero use cement ye papa. A tile fixed cement, Thailand Ghana Limited for one way say ceramic tiles and marble tiles na person will lay. But more this will be cement papa. A tile fixed cement. Odu any cement shop BMwa. Maybe a ton cement BMwa. Ubenya a tile fixed cement you na also wet me out to Thailand Ghana Limited for and what yet she should check our Lakeside Estate Accra. BBN from 0244 421 635 0244 421 635 Thailand Ghana Limited. Wabwa amadensi ayenika ye pa. Openi
Yadro
afi ye be disco.
Oh, sir.
And the ladder room, my baby ska. Super 6.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the baby ska.
I say, no, switch out.
Unse first, Nanka numbers 1 to 90. And also do. Oh, the major. He said, the artist was 55.
Movie, I try to bear 5 years in Unipida.
As well, but Vim will be
the
Uncle Swano in Chowbedi.
It's a bear on September, we know.
Because when you say, when you're Super 6, and we have 55 numbers, and you have opportunity to choose 6 numbers.
Numbers in now.
But there, then it's the one Ghana Kuracha. Now, numbers in about when you're 100,000 Ghana citizens can 1 billion. It's a more day.
Yamia no soon use it for the no way.
A more de pa, a more de. This a wood team for initial Lotto QS BMO. Na Kona Kocha Super 6 we 55 numbers penti. They are numbers no. It be better. They be other than so draw no because except Sundays pay. And for initial Lotto QS BMO. Easy play, easy win. Your lucky 6 a Super 6. In Makwada Roma, one year Dinkra Heba mixture. Uno Boasu cinema ye de a year alligator sports and ya brosonia malaria padia. A Dinkra Heba mixture no drew. Fever ben abeja wo so asama say loss of appetite untumi mpondidi and what in there a dinkra herbal mixture ebeju akagiramu stomach pains joint pains ni nyina be free ho a dinkra herbal mixture and na eboa wo area mo e be ton ndro bia no ubenya a dinkra herbal mixture ho tugidi anamo na fo ni kire ho obeboa amma a dinkra herbal mixture na so atumi anu numbi na aboa a fever ni nyina from atumi asori agina na so waka ye at phone for 0248 778 899 0248 778 899. And inquire about Mr. for one telephone number. Openi
Yadro.
Na and then wash a year Ghana Jesse ana.
Ghana Jesse.
With Puma pa. Quality one.
Because it was a Puma na ede. Only Puma kamba. It's a come you marry.
Oh, go ahead.
Oka Puma na sa na ma medwe nyama bebre.
Me da see.
Because that uti use one no.
Adwin fi records.
Unse zero usi use one no Puma no just one you fast.
Adwin fi records go anywhere.
Again.
O de wa adwin now.
Again. Black eye.
Obedi.
Aye and I.
It is a say no. Are we supposed to be spreading fear or faith?
We are supposed to spread faith.
Okay.
Encourage.
Okay.
And spread calm.
That's right.
Jim FM. I am shishie. Any ikum nipa ni sunsun. Sir. What I say? Sir. I am shishie. Areho ni ikum nipa sunsun.
That's right.
Obu onyare. Ni yam timi hye na na komate. What I say?
Yeah.
Obu on mo de areho. Na enu nso tim.
Yeah.
Enu no nya yare bi na firi ba bi o. Areho na wo di na no. E bofa na kra so a. Etimi bofa na kra so te se subonten.
Sa na ekum sunsun.
Sunsun ni so ati mu ni wu a.
Yeah. Na body dey wudi agro.
What I say? Enti se otiase. Onim se ye wo gidie se ekasima mpo na wa home etwato kra na Nyankopon timi etere na basa kese no edi so mu
SD4 onyumbi menim se makayiri nyanchi anase
dabi eno no young missionaries na boss akono te na ho ni apotwa kaka em se na se kwa kotena brochira ba obeyi nyumbi na wantua pa yontim so
anshada rama no
boys na ba ne de omo ngoro nchesa.
He said the WhatsApp group o mo ba no mu twa o mo to
o ya obetwa video abro na wa yan video de otwa asemni easy bete jopani akasima no
sa che hand sanitizer no na be 15 minutes me fa bingu me say
na sa di mo mi ama na ya san eno aso me kai me be hu say Magdan
African Ibrahim
edi bia bre company enye kuma
okay
gallons no dia ban
gallons baby dey see one
coronavirus no be kokra sela ni obi o
African be 15 minutes me fa hand sanitizer and gumi say be 15 minutes ni
African na mani susu me o
anti ya be we no so ma me be hand so ma me
god den ntia for say na chi o mpa
odi ewo obadi ebenya ho
why kwa me na jan unim say fast ye kwa me anya fasting.
Oh, how can you tell?
How can you tell? Meba.
Such a blanket statement.
Meba.
Emphatically spoken like that.
Meba. Che. Mimi tuwe. Me say. Me wu ana no kure. Me fact. Me wu ana no kure na ku me titi. Me ba choti.
To na ye nyina no ye fa mompa ye Matias my Ghana ba ye nwa se wa che we ye o bi kan shi so wa no wa che be si wa no pai na mi twam na se toy e wura me hwini mi gime ho anyi wa che wura fo mo kro mo anhwani mu too much o se to ba bia wa nso tim o mo e wo fufuo mo mpani se e fa ye mo nto ye mompa ye Matias my Ghana ya ji bi ko pe bi disa bia kra no ya se me wo sa tim de bia no mantimi anye onya hwani mu fo hwani ko sie
Obeni
ba so o se wan hwa
nipa o kan woteka mu a wo kwa akotwa aduane no
o se anhwa o se anhwa
we kwanye so odi asi
ebi kwa odu ba bia ton wa chi na nyame susun ba no so no sesa
obi afere ye wona ni so no ankobo akudi asi we na ni mo ne dwe asa ye video kra sa aka ho
asa de apeso
ata se
na owie onu mai sota guzo
ende mi ntumi jira me se hwe ama ho oden me nye obi a metire fasting ti me yesi 9
until ko 6 to 9
6 to 9
wow
oh yes
etina o mpai bone say na o mpai bone say
na mpai bone say ma mo ankyere wo
na o mpai bone say
asma enkoma me nyame adi no me sa me di nkyere dabi me nsom ayi kwasi amankwa Kristo som a che se yen hwehwe ani mu menya saa me bo mpai kra me miema no esi Nyankopon onimakoma anumakoma mu asem me bo mpai me miema no apart from our father meka and obi anim biaka bia de
Eti wo bompire wo mie wa no.
Minya wura sunsun a meditation is a powerful tool when it comes to prayer.
Shekere ma.
Nyakopon nim ya dwene mo se etimi egu etiri so yi.
Ba be.
Me etimi egu etiri so.
Ana don saboti ho. Wa don saboti na wo say no ehino.
What's etimi egu etiri so go ni ma no.
Na the way a camera na say capture utini na utini see shine power with the light. They just use shine you. E shine the on say shine power.
Camera ben.
They see what even no single shot no. It's about to shine pa. Easy. It's all good.
Answer open pa home fail die pa. O kan ade da metri hu. Obia wo ne nan so wo.
We so e nan so. We ne nan so say. We ne nan so.
Dabi what study hu say. E be na wotwe mienu ne yin no. Ayi headset wo ma chenyi ne be imprensa. What study awe?
Oh ba me de be.
Wa dwen ma so.
Ba me de ba o.
Oh, de enya multimedia yi na we say headset te server no. Ode bacho you ti say na amanfo hwe say joy ya tro joy e da de no so tete silver de na o mo de la de eti amanfo hu say joy na da so eti akwasi twuma japa de mpacho wo de ba de eni wo botum ene da hon
eda he na da
eni joy no eni
amanfo mu hwe
joy o why eni
abo ama hey we you na fa check camera no you na fa check camera no
je o why we akwasi twuma japa de na man ya twum say wa o san ka de show kon ni
she na JOI no me initials
me ba cho nye I
JOY no me initials me initials
njon usu ya o
Davio Jacob
ba o bo company ne kapa o
zamum
o she headset bia wa bo company ne
ka o pa kire se
o san ka o shen keto ano earpiece ni bi mum
o person kire se ahimfuti no ha de na na
we kan na go o azanti ni wa ko mum peni pa mrekra one my bagro ayi oh ayi o bo fi Adom ni show yi em say baby ba ko na mo dem say that we na o mo hwe ayi no no o dia fa nipa
you are not going you are not going
Ntumi na mo bonza o
you are not going baby I dey na potholes say you are not going asema grade
dem me kan say I am mo bonza o say dey bia metumi no hia na achia na yekoro
Elijah okay says Nana you owe us an explanation about your hair and on nso be say punchline pa na kwa meka achiri o say na say you punchline
baby o no quarantine ho de e no kasa sa
I was sweating
because I your friend is say black nya dia obetimi abo boxing da
hwan sem na okay
we lose fight sa
o pa kire say
obeda kato ni boxing say yes ni aka
so two person say ye doje enyi
o kato man chenchen
hono allowance don kwa che e che wa yard oh na say your gloves no susu boxing gloves they say ya na susu asusu tie betu ya cover
I have my number mama why na
me the ticket number be ma why radio home obo
say enso hia no anya o say enso o ye na famu de na anya hia
radio hey I get test post hey Charlie segment we dey be rough oh boy David also says Nana you are right
yes
you are right
yes
I said Nana you are right
oh titi why
Nana you are right
but you me na be YouTube mama na me be ria me go why
you are right
me be ria obani say make say ye wo players bi a o me o ma dwen se nkomba Ghana o makoka ba bi basa Emmanuel Shey Adebayo so ni so no de Ghana he ya no te
yes
ono Nigeria ni a obobo ma Togo na o te Ghana a country continent countries abom
na need o baby aso
na no emu ye hu o na dwen se nka wo ye fast baba be shem
ko be shem o Ghana
okofa ayi Lome
okay
odu onom si da bi masa I just say quarantine or have 14 days. This make us say nyina o
shemu ho
o Lome It's funny face we na just call me.
Na funny face to me aka me da se a kire ne de.
Oh yes, so I video on dia.
Okay. Na me jinsen ko twa ma na ba no ada na se.
Say na kwa me bo de so padam fo sa. I'm saying akwawe izo ni. Adam for fun me nyeso ebi o. Ebi o.
Ongusu amfa gidie nante. Ongusu amfa gidie nante.
Sa.
Ebi mo ha making money is not their problem.
No.
But spending it is their problem.
There be oka Ghana players you are here. Aha. Ahwana be fana damfo a.
Oh, sa Samoja.
Obetuma mo akoni fi akofa ne ka ba ko.
Oh, na Samoja ntumi ncheka.
Warrior wo ho no. Oni warrior. Ne brafani.
Bafo Jack. Oh boy.
Ready yango bo. Obi so omo ete o se frɛ na ayi akwasi ache na. Omo te se dukrum se obi bɔ wa wo. Na kuro ni nyina. Ready Ghana pa.
Dukrum.
They say there
omo te se obi bɔ wa na obi epebe bi agyina.
When say ayi Wensi ankasa kra etimi de drill wo felisa so wo pese wo wensi say no say me ye na me hu say wensi ade drill me no me twa kwan mu ko ekwan no ho no ha ho ba bi na me ko gina ba bi na umpeso obi ampo be hu say wensi ada no say wara o ma me adwuma bi
ba ja de record the pressure beto amanfo
e bia pake ka say chiro ba bi na me ko te na ja
car park na chiro
ni so wensi a say de hu si ba wo no e wo mu a me bia
ba o mo the pressure beto ni paso so to me but so sure left and right
just because office be suspecting no
one suppose obi ehwe but my second one count
I'm going to say enye obi obo wa bia na nya coronavirus
but sure na obo na whentia because so whentia
enye hwanti ye hwansi
mate so hwansi so hwansi unse small ensuo bi free onipadua no
ye hwinti ene hwansi hwinti ne ye se onan abo adiem say abo buom no wate kokonua so nim
kokonua ye onana
ate sa no
those days aye bobo aye shempobo no
24th bi
ba yes wo short abo so de
24th bi ba pefra kontumba no de biro nya atare ne ade ba na mitu amerika kwa kuhia na me kwati kokonua oba so ahwi ne ade ba usem papa so de ba wo so hye me ye se eno na
yeah
na mati kokonua
na fan left no
oh now they say left and right into the ba onaba ku besi for man na so be but sabro nya na sa menum pa obedi obi nwansi a eno nkire se nipa no coronavirus
okay
so ti ase obi gbo wa ba ko mienu miensa nkire so coronavirus
nti oboten enan mienu ma na kira na
amanfo nti ase se malaria ontu kwan typhoid fever ontu kwan even HIV AIDS ono so wo hopa what I say nyarewa hodo a ne omo te Ghana hadada na sa nyarewa ni nyina ada so
wo da hu nyina ahyem cholera ne ada wo nyina ada hu hyem
etimi enfa fansi ni nyina nkoma
ma corona sa
eno ti na wo mfili fan a e wo so wo kwa ya asabia ne cheke
nti ase coronavirus abeje cholera mo ne
bibia
wo nyina fans
ena
any high fever na nyina
numbers na increase no ye mama mfo nti ase se abogafo na nko mo ba na ya manta mo mba bi se yentwen ncheke wo mo ansa no omo numbers no test and for ye numbers no mo release ni nyina nti onto so be release numbers ni nyina ni be hu mududu anya bi no de numbers no be koso akoso
okay
ena omo so edi kan hu omo so omo be wuram dada satam na sa directive ne maaye no omo no omo be wuram dada na omo contact no omo nya nipa no omo nya contact no omo so afi ni ye test omo so
okay
what I say nti numbers ne de se obey rational now obey objective you should expect say
ebekosoro
to some level
to some certain level na do sa level na aside
aside descending and no based on your behavior and your attitude
okay
and of course you bit me descending this side be dey
it is a line no enyan curve
there be enyan curve
okay
na just say ye tie ho ase a ye hwe ho ye ye de sanitizer ye fa yensa ye horo yensa ye gya nchia
any hugging
domu ko ne ho keka ho obi so o hagi matade dia atade dia me body oboa ade na ebetu aka matade anu ma wonsa na ade be ro atade no obi na wonsa na che
na me pacho se wuduru fi a wo mpaboa na wo share no ede fa kru mu no memfa sa wo mpaboa na nwura wo dem
enya bi ti me
mesrew se ade ba kwa amanfo adwen share da ama so
no kra pa
wompobo a wo share
ya ntare no kra
yes ubenya ntade ne de fine but wompobo na de no de tietia form efa krom kofa station kofa dwom ni ade no memfa sa wompobo no
nye obi ale wetima ro no ho
wo de me kire no wo de me kire
no mo ro ni nika no kwa na
ne boxer shorts na hwe ya ebi kwa no wa hwe
antipe ka make say na te compound house wa
wa sa hwe antipe
obu on hwe antipe so hu na de say de wa hwe antipe no
sa me da say
omo yisu boxer
say u free krom na udru fi a udru opunu nanimu a ro won paboa ne gu abonten na odi be coincide kra na odi ewuro gu abonten na fa na fa kogu baby episode uba memfa nkonante wo ho emfa nkonante wo kitchen ho nkonante wo bedroom because sometimes ya nkwada no kra so mo de dada form wo ho ne ade ti wo do mpaboa na ade nam krom so ade konante inside ho a infection na spread no obani ko wani
abani ene fast na ye obu on
so the obo 6 to 9
obu a make say kro nya nwie ne de
me break 6
and the stories be okra na me pese me ye chese obi amanfo gusu wo prayer mood mu so te ase I am pese ye be ya de bi a ahwe akote obi so tu bia na se na eyi so opani so aka eyi Romania afem ho baby Rashid Smaila I want to aka Romania o so nso no e say e ho no nyina lockdown otim mafie agima bedu
o say Italy about this
o si free bia yare no baaye no ontuni na kura nsi ne pona no mi ya abonten hwe say e de na ekoso anase de na ekoso onye na adwen so obesi abonten disiji say ne say yare na adwen say na aba ji obi wura ni fie na pa say
o say a team bia wo mo ne wo mo boy wo mo last match no player bi was a team ni mu a womo attest na hu se onya bi enti once a womo players ne sa players no ekoball ball no nti ama womo nso players no yama womo nyina ye den atena dem a se wo hia bibu na se wo free team doctor na team doctor kwakoye shopping no na odi abrɛwo
asem ana pay ayi gift yanti nana yire na se ono ka compulsory quarantine for no
okay
se nkeja oba bi wram I'm so do no man tam no ordinary sem to do no say wache ne kondo wache pa
chale
se be ya obenyi obi obeto wache abra na so obetime pia koto wache
chale
but o say me mfa virus no ho asem ni agro yentie ne voice ne kakre
Hi guys chale it's not easy it's not easy. Can you believe since morning I've been wishing to eat wache my own favorite wache. I can't get wache to go and buy. And nobody can bring me wache too because I'm in compulsory quarantine. Chat. My people. Uncle Coronavirus has done it worse. Chat. Anyway, on a serious note, listen guys, don't let us joke with this. This is a serious matter. This is a serious situation we are in. No need to spread the fear. Please don't be afraid. Okay? The recovery rate is high, but all the same, it's dangerous. One thing about coronavirus is that it spreads easily.
Eti efutua nana yire ede maye no.
Yeah.
So ti ase efutua nana yire de maye. Na ye sanitize ya na yire fie phone opani. Ehun ye ye papa because phone
sanitize phone.
Wo dane to baabi so ahun. Ebi wo hono mu a. What is it? I don't say. Sa no.
Ya no.
Titi de bibi oto bo asisi ni you.
Ana dia fa won search ni sa. Okay. Hey, monjani on Facebook na tete bana fo kire how obetumi de hand sanitizer na tumi ayon sound na tumi anya effective ankasa. Monjani on Facebook Adom 106.
Oh yeah, obema na dozo.
Okay, ti bana fo etereba hand we mi agu nsem ti fa kire camera no na kire how according to the World Health Organization yes in fa we ni enfanye yes. Aha. Na odon science middle.
Odon san no. Eko omora no na. Ode nunum.
Okay.
No because omora mu na emo anu so betim akwakohye.
Na wasan sa with oye o left no. Na afi waka mienu ni nyina abom. Na afi ode ba ko ato ba ko achi sa. Uwie na de fam na wasan de ba ko no so ato ba ko achi sa. no na fe waso kokromoti ni mu saa no aye ni say wasa so ba kunu mu nso saa no aye ni say afi no waso for ni mu saa mfimfini ni mu saa no wasa ten na ye ni saa good we are the way World Health Organization for say yenye no
alright sanitizer and the papa no so be say we na are
enti ahwe mo
ya na are won sa
who discuss e mo me
opani je jam ka say yinyum yitumi hwe Adebayo sika bibrebe nyina say make us odaga room
hey Charlie
what is here
na before Adebayo unim say nana yere na amanfo ginagina nim ho
David
na nana yere ye na adwen so obieni ni door no na nko abegina ne veranda no nyese ne anim ho de no veranda no inside de no obie door no an oba nim kakra no obie door no hu say soja ni ba ko ni security phobia mu gina veranda no so no wife ba ko na madam please get inside na soja ni na wantiem wanye dede but that soft tone na soja ni ka madam please get inside no enu nko akra no e be chiro bibi
yeah
enu nko
akra obani ani abre
madam please get inside
enti hwe gift anti dia bra no mo
yeah
but aduru bra bia Jadie no ahambo na o shedem sisi ameka say Adebayo na shedem Cristiano Ronaldo eni ni nuama mfoni ne wa ha o mo shedem ene Messi o shedem ayi yeru akwasitwum se meka say o shedem
asemo
o se kwam despite
Chaliba ba yare we na ni nso ade o yare we na ni nso ade o
openi ronyom no na
yare we na ni nso ade akra o okay
DJ Black Eye
yeah it's the DJ Black Eye baby This is Adom 106.3 FM. Information a free Italy abontin ebani chirimu a wa ye be che wa abontin bia no e bebi sa se wo kɔ hina wantu bia nya asem papa bia nka no ye be final 6,000 euros. Na Italy wa na nso no nurse bia no nso gina front line ankasa sa nurse no nso no ye test positive for a coronavirus na wadwendwen ho ama no ankasa eden akoku no ho quite unfortunate. Quite unfortunate.
Yes, big mistake because there are thousands of people on my recover. Recover from your and death warrant. And Chelsea will be free. You West scratching. We know need one say a quite fast spread and opening.
Yeah.
So
yeah. One more year recovered internationally, according to the World Health Organization. 19,808. 19,808. Teacher say, and go for recover.
That's right.
Go for recover. So, people are recovering from Saya Dieno. Go for recover. And teacher say, Wunya be a non say, and you will end. Wunya be a non say, no. People are recovering, and we have recovery stories. And so I just say, indeed, a man for be so day.
All right.
Na yenya OPMs kakray.
Oh sir. All right. Na sir Ghana Premier League. I was suspension there by player transfer no. Eguso den. Na teams no I wild.
Sir.
I just say ubia wo play up. And he has full coach so up Edia Usi Taylor. Kerala United for player be. Striker. And Kotokoso ni abre Panabila. Oh, as good so mo per 20,000.
Okay.
Openina adibi because uko German Bundesliga no more. Bayern Munich for any Dortmund for players na agree. Say at this time no one him say team ni be kwa him ti. Omo edge pay cut of 20%. Omo pay ide mo no. Say for 20%. Say be omo sikase mu no. Omo be hin ha omo kakra. What I say?
That's right.
Say Basa no ni ade nso omo ni players na kasa. I mean nim the Ghana players no so omo so beka. Because say they say open you Ofie bia na wo wuram. What I say? And omo so hunu say omo teams no. Ombeka bia chom say bia say 50% bi o say you.
50% say. 50 dey say na akododo. Mo do mo follow you say 20% dey ka
mo ntu omo players ka yi no. Me pese me bo bia dey. Mo teams akesi bi okru mo players 300 Ghana ne.
Say Kumasi Asofo kana.
Kumasi Asofo no pa.
Okay.
Opening. Kumasi Asante Kotoko the players him say dey ojeke to akra be 5. Accra has a so captain 900.
Oh, Masaboa.
Me mo team so be captain 900. I don't know what you
Phobia Semo and our crowd in a
David me more has it in patch. But minim so mun jump players in a ye there. Minim pa. Minim say paying yet. But minim say this it. What I say. Na bia coronavirus I come mobile na.
I come on mobile. That's a person here branded.
Anyway.
Oh, somebody say Achimota.
My name is breaking league in into so na coach no team no
Adom FM all the hits and more.
Yes cars and that go
Phobia.
TV
Phobia.
Minim Pentacross.
Never say that.
Pentacross painting
until the bones are rotted.
The Pentacross how I supporter. And or you to so be painting am. Basi you know. Phobia bed na shit dan no say. And a coach in car no man ko repair no. Hey,
but omu guso e brandi omu new bass no. Omu guso e wa Achimota. Sa no ba de kan.
Openi yen COO Ora Kenansa.
Okay.
Ena esende ade di mame.
Okay.
No say DSP yeboa. Or your district commander Upper West Achim. Na just say adeso asem ne eken. District commander adeso. Or say ene na woda and Openi young wish you happy birthday. Adeso commander.
Sir.
They say you are one of the best police officers in the country.
That's right.
And now Commander Juma we so honte.
Sir.
And DSP yeboa. Enye wan say ebeka kra bi no. Na say wo free DSP no. Na just say waba your friend say wo free DSP kra okon.
Ozo e dey ah.
Wo free DSP na okon.
Say na oba chief.
Na oba SP.
No SP.
No oba SP. Nti Openi Yankopon Shirao, we free Ken, Aduamwa, Okai, Enima, any the entire crew. Ntiwa obehuno entire crew ya kan wase mi. Ken, Aduamwa, Okai, Enima, and entire crew ni nyina. DSP abo happy birthday. We free ye COO Kenansa ho.
That's all.
Ena ebae.
That's
right. Story back ho ha na no de. We say details in Baba News nti. Openi mame fan konkon ho.
Okay.
Na mo a munyam breaking fast no yesere mo a mo nkoso anyere mpae bonum.
Sa.
Ekun wei enye yekun. Enyame kun.
Sa.
Esan se wo mo wonuru chen yen, wo mo wonim die chen yen, wo mo wofidie chen yen, okwo anim chen wo sika chen yen. Ebu nkama fo mo so.
Sa.
Nti nyame a. Nyame na bo ade nyina, yade kra no. Nyame na boy.
Sa.
Inti nyame na betimi de nsa aka ama bibia yi
bibia atene
ati ase
yo
osofo okay abra Yesu Kristo ne asuanfo ne namo a na omo nam nsuo so a poaso che ne bossa na fi nsuo ne pese e ba kudu no mu
sa
ese so kra bi ba kudu na nsuo ada
Na esuafo no mo yim hyehye wo.
Yes. Oh sorry, see you or see ye men of little faith.
Sir.
Ese mugidie esusa. Mo mugidie hihimu a. Bibi ketekete timi bu fa so. Na mugidie te sese na pia ba betima ka kire me for say entutu.
Sir.
Ne betutu.
Amen.
Ka say amen.
Amen.
All right.
Okay. Na be pono de hia Kwawu mountains ana.
People bia. De hia any mugidie.
That's right.
What you say? And a special happy birthday so every list to work with you for you. Sir. Ho e de call Emma is it ye Metal Nunu Junior, Lejukuku NDC Communication Officer.
Okay.
Na birthday nyina so the two party callers him.
Happy birthday nkoma. And tema the mamenko tema MPS tema port. And then so Edward Echampon aka Achi Edward Echampo aka Achi.
Right.
Or MPS tema port. Happy birthday nkoma Abuache.
Becky a police officer or tema. I said them kind of for DSP na uko superintendent now we call chief supu now we call assistant commissioner now call deputy commissioner and commissioner.
That's right.
Deputy commissioner in DCOP no
DCOP deputy commissioner of police
it's not just say no openi misi achi op why inshranko bibia odin yefro to ma Ghana na nipa so a wantimi anya fast ni bi no so me sure say why in your own small way no bompa ye ma Ghana nyo bia no bitima fast no say wontimi mompa ye bia na kan pa ya ye kire your bible no ene ja wo soro odi ho ntew wahini mra opede nsi asase so say di nsi wo soro e ma ye nne ene da aduane fa yemfom so kye nya bone a ya ye na nyankopon ba behwe ho ni ye di no nyonyo e ba sa dia ye nya gira bre papa bia what I say zero de che wo mo fum ye no what I say emfa ye nko nso hwem ye firi musuo mu na na hini ni tumi ni animonyam e wo da amen
amen o
apostle ye nya da bia amfa ye fast na hye se wukwada Wednesday is bay
okra da na
nya kwaku okay strong
ati yo na say era botere kada ba you be a Cal Bank say agent banking mo de ye pa Cal Bank the banking what dia ba we area mu ho say dia hu hia so bokwa ko chinchina kwa fa krum na wakwa ko di line so e don so the coronavirus ne on sensem bebre mesre wada Cal Bank the banking agent banking neighborhood bank what dia ba we area mu ho a eno to betimi ayi ska betimi diska ko to betimi transfer ska betimi to bills banking transaction bi apesa we ye no betimi no Cal Bank agent banking na wo area mu ho na no ya sort out pa ye neighborhood banking Cal Bank wo modi bia ye ko ani modo na MTN say yero ho na ko wanim na yero ho na use MTN say MTN de u use MTN a e mo de u use MTN a ye chew iPhones esan de ka home and until yero ho na use MTN line no fire phone calls fire text messages for MTN line for browsing everywhere you go MTN they've got your back yepa. Now the good thing is one more check over 20,000 iPhones and me pesa unso kabi that's why you use MTN a check and until bomode say also be use MTN more now also let me increase your chances of winning in boost herbal mixture and also boost to immune system in this era virus hydrate mesero boost to immune system in boost herbal mixture ebeboa ama won so ahode na CPS itaye pa were mo bi eto nduro bia no pharmacy shop bia mo no obenya post ni na duro na e frɛ no in boost herbal mixture frɛ 0243 115 948 0243 115 948